Last week, I lost over $32,000 in the Forex market. $15,000 my own money, then $15,000 investors' money, right? It's crazy. It's very, very crazy. And if you guys notice that I stopped sharing signal on my status, the reason is because if I'm on winning streak, I want us to win together. If I'm losing, I won't share with you guys, so that you guys can actually, most of you don't have the kind of money that I have to risk into the markets, right? So it's better for me not to keep mute, to keep my losses to myself and keep the wins out there. But trust me, we're back. So guys, come see something. Come see something. On a single trade, you see, Forex is crazy. On a single trade, my whole loss on my personal account, I've recovered it back on a single trade, right? And that of my investor, I can't, because I'm aggressive here. On my investor's account, I can't be aggressive like this. We're actually building it gradually. So now, what I want to share, a lesson I want you guys to take away from this is, number, how did I recover? How did I recover these losses, right? During the time in which I was quiet, I wasn't sharing signal. What was I doing? This is it. This is what I was doing. So one thing, anytime I'm having losses, what I do is I go to my trading journal. Let me use this particular day, for example. This is Monday, and the setup that cost me my losses, this was the setup. So after the day trade, I actually backtest. Okay, if I'm given the opportunity to trade this, to take this position again, what would I have done? So I looked at the thing I did, charts, my entry confluences. Then I look at what I was looking at here. Then everything, I journaled all my trades. So at the end, and I found out the mistakes I made. Look at the first mistake I made. I feel so bad. I feel so bad because I did not consider, number one, candlestick momentum. Let me show you guys candlestick momentum. The trade is 17,000 now. So let's see if we can make 20,000, then we'll close out. Candlestick momentum. Let me show you. Failed to consider candlestick momentum. So even after we had this initial break from clear of liquidity, I expect price to actually what? I expect price to sell, right? I expect price to sell. Moreover, after the price was selling, I was in this trade making good profit. All of a sudden, I saw the spike up. Then I saw this rejection. I didn't consider that. It's just as if you are trying to buy. You are driving. Let's say, for example, you are driving. While you are driving, right? And all of a sudden, you see, what's it called? A barricade. What will you do? You press brake, right? And if there's no barricade, what will you keep doing? You keep going up. So after I saw this sell here, I failed